Hey guys, Lindsay here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a good old BOXYCHARM unboxing. I got a lot of stuff coming up, so I wanted to go ahead and just squeeze this in because it's a fairly basic box, but I'm actually pretty excited about everything inside of it. So that makes me feel pretty good. So let's go ahead and just jump straight in. The first item that is in the box, I was actually really excited when I saw it get teased because it's a Glam Glow product. And to be quite honest, I've always been too cheap to buy anything from Glam Glow. I've always wanted to try some of their masks or anything from them, but literally I look at those price tags and I just can't seem to do it. So this is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser. I've already used it. I used it actually this morning when I was just like waking up and starting to get ready. So I'll kind of like roll that clip while I'm telling you about the product. So it says it's a daily conditioning gel cleanser that's gentle but effective to clean skin and dissolve makeup. So I'll have to try it maybe to wash off my makeup after this also, just to kind of see how well it does. It does say that you're supposed to avoid eye area, so you would want to maybe use something to remove your eye makeup first and then use it to get like your foundation and stuff off. So I will say it did feel slightly tingly. I mean, like just very minimally. I barely noticed it. I think because they called it a gentle bubble cleanser, I was almost expecting it to foam up on my face, and it didn't. It was just kind of like a gel formula, and it tells you to kind of massage it around. So I did. It didn't do anything weird. It just looked like a gel on my face. Obviously you guys can see it from the clip, but yeah, I did feel the slightest bit of like a tingle, and I guess that's the bubbling effect. But yeah, other than that, I mean, it just felt like a cleanser. My face felt clean afterwards. So this would obviously be the type of product that I really can't give too much of a opinion on it without using it for a number of times, because you know, skincare, it's like you gotta give that stuff like at least a month. Oh, and the cleanser retails for $28. It's full size. So let's jump into the rest of the items. Like I said, it's kind of a very basic box. It's very minimal. We're not gonna be doing any kind of eye looks, but there's a cheek palette. And I was really excited about this. This was one of the things where it was going to be an optional, like it was either this or I think a milk highlighter. I wanted this so bad. So I'm very happy I got it. So this is from Alamada Cosmetics and it's the Colorette Blush Trio. I have been very interested in this since I saw it get released. I just didn't want to, again, like spend the money honestly on a blush trio because I have a lot of blushes and I'm trying to start working through all these products that I have. But I'm really excited about this because the colors are super unique. These are super beautiful. Loving this color. I love the fact that these two definitely have like a shimmer, so they're going to be very beautiful kind of glowy blushes. The center one doesn't look like it's too shimmery, but it looks like it's going to be a really beautiful blush. I kind of want to maybe use a combination. I don't have any blush on, just a little bit of bronzer, so we're gonna use it. Grab my brush that, yes, I'm sorry, is dirty, but I need to wash some brushes. So I'm gonna try this shade first. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's really beautiful. I like that. I do really want to try the other one too, so I'm just gonna grab a fluffier brush so that I can get less product on the brush. I'm gonna try this one right here, Scorcher, and kind of focus it more on the upper parts since it is kind of a shimmery. So it almost will act like a bit of a highlight too. I like that. Yeah, that one definitely has some color and it also has that sheen. I'm definitely seeing the sheen showing up and I really like it. It's just a very pretty look. So this is gonna be really great for summer. I'm definitely excited about that. Let's see, this retails for $22. Definitely like this one. I'll do a heavy blended out swatch so you guys can kind of see the tones of it. So those are the blushes kind of swatched but still kind of blended. Very beautiful. I love these colors a lot. All right, so next up we have two eye related products. First up we have a cream eyeshadow. So this is from Ciate. It's their Eye Luster. So it looks like it's just a shimmery, so it's just kind of a shimmery product. Let's see. It looks like it's purple with glitter. Ooh, that's blinding. All right, so that is what it looks like swatched. So it definitely kind of catches the light in different ways, but for the most part, it doesn't look too purple. So I'm just gonna add a real quick shadow across the lid and then we'll just top it with the topper. So let me put a little primer down. Let me zoom in a little. Okay, so I've got some primer down. I'm just gonna go with a simple one shadow across the lid. I do think I'm gonna just go ahead and put the shadow from lid to kind of crease area, and then we'll just top the lid portion with the liquid shadow. So I'm just gonna grab one of my Collective Cosmetics singles. These have all come from past subscription boxes, so you can't purchase most of them. But I'm just gonna grab, I think, this one right here. This little kind of mauvey, purpley toned color. I'm gonna add just a little bit of depth to the outer corner, not too much, because I'm not making this crazy look. We're just kind of doing something simple. Okay. Okay, so literally just a little something simple. So let's take this liquid shadow. I think since I'm going over the top of a shadow, I'm going to put this on with a brush so that I can kind of just pat it over the top. So I'm gonna grab this kind of flat, fluffy brush, which is one of the few clean brushes I have. It seems to dry pretty quickly, so we'll move kind of quick. All right, so that is definitely really pretty, kind of nice and shimmery. It's a lot more blinding when you put it on like that as opposed to on your lids, but it's still very pretty. I think I'm going to just pop some onto the inner corner. Okay, so it's definitely interesting. I don't think I'm a big fan of just putting it across the lid because I feel like it catches the light in different ways and almost makes it look like there's not product in all areas when in fact there is. But I do like it as a nice little glowy inner corner. It's pretty, or maybe just like an accent. So it's definitely a nice little addition. Oh, let's see. The Ciate cream eyeshadow retails for $22. So the other thing we got is an eyeliner. So it's from Bodyography, and it retails for $14, and the shade I got is Emerald. Okay, so like a little green color. Got swatches everywhere at this point. So, which actually it's almost a very kind of bluish color. So I'm just gonna kind of warm that up. I'm just gonna put this in my waterline. Pretty color. It goes in the waterline fairly easily. I do need to layer it up a little bit, but my eyes have just started watering, so I'm gonna give them a break before I layer it up anymore. So let me just kind of give them a break. I'll reapply this to the waterline and I'll just throw on some mascara. I'll probably buff a little bit of that shadow on the lower lash line, and then I'll come back and we'll finish up with the last item in the box. Okay, so I ended up adding a little bit of this kind of teal blue shade to the lower lash line, and then once I did that, I felt that I needed to balance it out with a wing on top. So now we have a wing. But I really didn't feel like putting on lashes, so I just put on some mascara. So yeah, this is all that's going on with the eyes. So the last product in the box is from Dose of Colors. It is a liquid lipstick and I'm super excited about it. This one retails for $18 and the shade I got is Stone. So part of the reason I was so excited about this box, because I did already open it up to see what was inside, so I knew how much makeup to put on. I feel like they finally got the survey correct. That was a big issue previously where, you know, we all filled out these surveys with skin color, preferences, things you don't want to get in your boxes, and it seemed like they were just ignoring it. So I got the correct blush palette for light to medium skin. And then I put that I liked nude lipsticks. I mean, I do like the occasional fun lipstick too, but you guys see me mostly in nudes. So I know a lot of people got a bright red. I'm super happy to have received this color. So that is just a beautiful little kind of neutral pink. I will say I was kind of hoping it was going to be a bit of a dustier color, like a gray mauve type of tone, but it's pretty, and it actually seems to be drying down a bit more cool toned, but I definitely like it. Really enjoy the Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks. I don't have very many of them, so definitely happy to get an extra one. Yeah, so overall I loved everything in the box, which is why I was so excited about this month's box, for even though it just being kind of a basic box. So we had a cream eyeshadow, liquid lipstick, awesome blush palette, cleanser, and an eyeliner. And the eyeliner actually worked pretty decent for being a pencil eyeliner, which usually I'm not a big fan of. So I can actually see myself using this in the future. And it is, I don't think I have a color exactly like that just yet. So is perfect. Let me total it up real quick. Okay, so I totaled everything up and this box came out to $104 and we paid $21 for it. I will say it's a little bit strange because normally it's more in the $120, $130 range, but still for $21, I got all of this stuff that I absolutely loved this time around. And some of these items, like the cleanser was $28, this blush palette that I've been kind of interested in was $22. So all of that, just buying one item pays for this box. So definitely really happy with this month's box. Very, very pleased with all the options and the fact that they actually seem to get it right with the questionnaires. So hopefully everybody else got what they wanted or what they didn't get what they didn't want. So yeah, definitely happy with this month's. Can't wait for next month because next month is BOXYLUXE and they've been kind of sneak peeking some of the items that are going to be in there. Definitely looking forward to next month's box. That one is always just so much fun because it's so big and full of stuff. So yeah, I can't wait for that. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.